Hi everyone, my name is Parikshit Khanna and I welcome you back to my channel. After so long, I'm using my Zebronics headphones and I was procrastinating about using them, and after so long, I'm using it. Now I will be showing you how to make whiteboard animation using Render Forest because I have seen and I've received many requests from the viewer that they want me to create a video on how to create whiteboard animation using Render Forest. So let's start the video. Let me share my screen. Okay, here it is. So guys, if you are creating any whiteboard animation, the important part is script. If you have a good script, it is good. If you don't have a script, if you want to sell any service using whiteboard animation or doing any storytelling, you can start with the basic. You can tell them about your problem. Like in this scenario, I want to sell a product of Jensen and Jensen lubricant. So I will be saying get machinery lubricants at the best price in India. Get that premium range of lubricant. So this is the like USP I'm telling or service I'm telling, and this is the call to action. I'm telling that if you want to buy this, go for this and call on this number. So this is the basic script. So let's start making whiteboard animation. First, I will copy the first sentence. Oh, okay, so this is a render forest that we have opened up. You can make video, logo, animation. You have to sign up for your render forest from your render forest account. Click on whiteboard animation video. Simple. You click on whiteboard animation and here it is. There are two formats for whiteboard animation. So we will go for this one because I'm liking this particular template. I will click on after visiting this page, I will simply click on create now. And after clicking on create now, it will ask me your current plan is please upgrade your plan. Okay. Basically, I'm using free version and it will not allow me to go beyond 50 videos. So let's sign up from my another account. Click on the sign in button from my another account. Uh, you can click on Google. Like using Google, you can sign in from any of the accounts. So click on, we will log in from Jensen and Jensen Lubricant Gmail account because that account is not working. Here it is. So we will click on whiteboard animation. You can make cool videos. Here it is whiteboard animation. Then we will click on create now again. The best part is because of all this, we can have opportunity to do revision. So you have to sign in. So it will ask whether you want to add a scene, load a present, type a script. Just type your script. You can type your script over here. You can add a scene. I will go for add scene because it is much more convenient for me. So our first script, we are like our script is of 3 lines only. So what I will do, I will click on the text option. So I will click on the text folder because I want to show the text only. So my text is of one liner only. So which one will be match? Scene with one text folder. We will click on this. Then the second slide will also give the solution. Woman pointing out the text. Second slide will be this. Third slide, I want to show my logo. So for logo sharing, I will click on the logo slide, logo animation. I want to show some cool effect. Yes, this will work. I will click on insert button. I got 3 slides, 1, 2, and 3. I will click on first slide. I will copy my text. So sorry for the background noise. It's something which is not in my hand. It's very funny though. We will click on first, then we will copy paste the second. Like one, you do copy and paste over here. You click on second, you click on copy and paste over here. It will reflect over here. Then we will click on third on the logo holder. I have already uploaded my logo over here. You can do it by clicking. You can click on upload, and since I have uploaded, I will click on media library and my logo will be there. Oh, it's not there. So we will have to do it manually. Open the website of your company, because I hope if you are like lazy like me and you don't like to save the logo, you can just open the your company's website, or you can open the folder, click on your logo, click on save image as. So if it is on desktop, it will be more convenient for you. So sorry again for the background noise. And you will click on upload button over here, and let's see. Here it is. Our logo got uploaded. It will take a minute or so for the logo to be uploaded. You will click on the logo. You will click on insert button over here to insert the logo, and it's good to go. Let's do some adjustment. Our logo is visible right now. Yep, will show like this. Then we will say get the team range of, we can just say call on this number. We can add a text, it will reflect over here. And if you want to do any changes, I like this design. You can do a step styling. You can change the color. Which color do you want? It can be blue or it can be red. Okay, we can do it red for now. You can add music. You have to make sure the music is not copyright or it's copyright free. Inspiring story, yes, it will work for me. It will ask whether you want to go for low quality, which is of 360-degree pixel. To go for HD quality, it's low quality will be having a watermark of render forest. If you want to go for HD quality, if I click on HD quality, it will charge you around 399 rupees. It will suggest you to go for 399 rupees plan. While getting 399 rupees plan, you can get 7 HD video per month up to 5 minutes, and you can browse 799. I recommend that if you are owner of a company and you have to make videos, spend 800 rupees and you can make up to 18 videos in a month, which is like much uh, cheap than what you are what you will going to pay to the video editor. Video editor will ask for the amount of 700 rupees, and over here you can get 16 videos by paying around 800, and with tax it might be 830 rupees. So let us go back to the free version because we want to go for the free. So let's start it. You can click on free preview because we will be learning about how to create free videos. If you want to go for paid version, if you want HD variation without any watermark, you can pay them 399 rupees, and it's worth the price that they are charging. It will take a minute or so for them to create a video. And unlike render for this, you can create many videos, logo animation, cool stuff from over here. Render for this will give you free videos of around 50 and 70, which I think is sufficient, and you can work upon the watermark, or you can put the watermark using while posting on social media. It will not create any particular problem. You can go for the watermark variation. If you can post it on YouTube channel, Instagram, Facebook, it will not have any copyright related problem. And in the meantime, our video is also ready. So sorry for the background noise again. So our video is ready, and let's play our video. So far, so good. I have muted the music to have any problem related to the copyright. Here it is, the call to action. Perfect it is. What we are going to do, we are going to save video, and with the right click, you can save the video within like 1 second or 5 seconds. It will get downloaded. Yep, it's downloaded, and our tutorial is complete. You can use all the steps to make cool whiteboard animation for your YouTube channel, for your brand, or for your personal requirements. Thank you so much for watching the video.